Good morning to everyone at SMA's national meeting today. My name is Leon Sanders III, and I am a fourth-year medical student at LSU Health Science Center in New Orleans, Louisiana. I would like to humbly thank the Southern Medical Association for selecting me for the Dr. Donna Been Student Scholarship. I come from a family of educators, and yet for all our education, I was the first in my family to attain a terminal degree. This scholarship is a crucial part of my journey, and as an out-of-state medical student with a heavy debt load, it will ease my burden during my final year of training. With this scholarship, SMA has shown me that they recognize that medical training embodies the African village analogy, where it takes a village to raise a child. Your organization is helping me to survive and thrive during this last year of my training. I plan to use these funds to visit my two daughters that reside in Minnesota with their mother and to purchase several Christmas gifts that they asked for. Furthermore, one day, I hope to be in a position to pay this exemplary and compassionate example forward to medical students at my home institution by establishing a similar scholarship specifically for African American males in medicine. I plan to specialize in hematology oncology with a focus on sickle cell anemia and cell-based malignancies such as leukemia and lymphoma, with a goal of one day establishing a bone marrow transplant center in one of the most underrepresented areas in the city of New Orleans East. Again, I am honored and humbled by this award and truly appreciative of the blessing that it represents. I truly hope that all of you listening to my voice are well and blessed this year and in the years to come. Thank you.